Hey guys, it's me again. So today we are going to unbox. I'm so excited. This is actually from Sigma Beauty. It is something that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I'm super excited that I was actually able to order it. I do have a code for y'all on the sigma.com that you can use if this is something that you do want. However, you guys know the deal. Click that like button and click that subscribe. Hopefully I'll get enough likes and enough reviews that I could be getting free stuff, and me getting free stuff equals y'all getting free stuff. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. So it comes in this nice box. It's cute how the paper is. So this is a 48 brush dry and shape your brushes fast. It is a brush tower. Now, if you are into makeup like I am, you have an abundance of brushes. So this is gonna be awesome. We are actually going to be putting it together and see how much I could potentially fail at putting it together, but I'm stoked. They did send actually a couple freebies in here. Doesn't look like anything else. Oh, I did order this as well. This is foam brush shampoo because it was a really good deal and I really wanted it. However, the funny part is they also gave me a free sample of it, but I have way too many brushes, so yeah, this big one is needed. What is this? And then they gave, oh, cool. So it's everything that they have on their website, which I'm actually looking for a brush. It is the Sigma F80 is the one I'm looking for. It's a foundation brush and it's awesome. So let's get to putting this together. If you haven't liked this video yet, like away. So it comes in 3 sections. It looks like it's gonna be quite interesting. So here's the first. It comes with the base and the second. That one, I believe that one's the second tier. And then the brush holders. Now what you do is you clean your brush and then you put it through these little slots and it reshapes your brush, which is cool because these actually extend. Trusted instructions. So let's put this bad boy together. What I really like about this though is it's not like super bulky. So I still can put it on my homemade tower that I made. Actually, yesterday I was going to video it, but I got super lazy. But I'm actually making another one as well. I did one burgundy and one black. So, now this is something I don't like. Like, why do you gotta put the sticker on the top? You couldn't put the sticker down here. Like, come on, get with it. And people that don't have any thumbs like me. So you put it in, match it up, put it in, twist it, peel the sticker off the other one. So this side up. Put it in, twist it. And then this side goes like this. Put it in, twist it. Oh, now it's got gooey stuff all over it. And then the bottom, put it in, twist it. Well, that's oh, there we go. I was gonna say, that's a bummer. So let me go grab a couple brushes and I'll show you what I do. I'm back. So I grabbed a couple brushes, as you can see, all different lengths, different shapes, like that one's pointy. This one's got a bigger bottom. So let's see. So when you wash it, clearly it's gonna be upside down. You put it through the hole, lift it up, and then it clicks in. Just like that. So this holds the shape of the brush, and then the other one, you put it in, bring it up. Now this one's gonna be a little bit awkward because these ones are a bit weird, because as you can see with the reflection. Let's see what it does with the bigger ones. Let's see if it likes this one or not. Now these do stretch, but I don't want to stretch it too much, because they've got another. So this is the Real Techniques, and this is the Deluxe Crease Brush. I would not use this. Now, I am, however, going to eventually, let me see if I can find it, eventually get, I wonder if it's on here. Yes, it is. I'm eventually gonna get this guy right here that goes, I'm sorry, it's this one right here. So this is the one that I bought. This is the one that I want, and then it creates this guy. But if you see this, like, here this is a Polar cup. This is a Polar cup. It's a size large Polar cup. Like, it's just a little bit bigger. Not as thick. So it's not like it's stupid large, because it's not. So I'm going to clean my brushes, and then I'll let you know how the brush does, the brush shampoo does, and I'll be back. All right, bye.